Hi viewers, here let's consider what we have on board and make Hara the subject of the formula from this equation. V equal to pi into Ri squared minus x squared close bracket. And in this question, we are asked to make Hara the subject of the formula. So now the question is, how are we going to make Hara the subject of the formula? Okay, here let us start solving it by making a solution. Now, our first step is we are going to divide both sides by pi. Okay, here let us have v equal to pi into r squared minus x squared close bracket. Okay, now we are going to divide both sides by pi, right? Here let us divide by pi, right? This and this will cancel, all right? Here we are going to have v out of pi equal to r squared minus x squared. Okay, now our next step is we are going to add x squared on both sides. Okay, here plus x squared plus x squared. This and this will cancel, all right? Here we are going to have v out of pi plus x squared equal to r squared. Okay, now our goal here is to make r the subject. We have to remove this square root, square, right? So how are we going to remove the square? Right now we're going to remove this square by applying a square root on both sides, okay? Right, and whenever you are applying square root, remember you have to apply it. Oh no, sorry, you have to add plus or minus, all right? Whenever you are applying a square root on both sides. Okay, now here let us do it. Here let us have the root, okay? This and this will cancel. All right, so now our final answer, here our r is going to be plus or minus. Why? Because we have applied a square root on both sides. That is why we have plus or minus. Okay, now a root of here is going to be v out of pi plus x squared. This is going to be our final answer.